Hey, Grok AI is no longer free. If we go to the official website and try generating something, when we click the Generate button, it actually takes us to the subscription page. So basically, we have to pay to generate from now on. But don't worry, I have a way that you can follow to use Grok AI completely for free, unlimited. Just stick with me till the end. So the first thing you need to do is come to this website called RoboNeo.com. I have attached the link in the video description also. After coming to the website, log in with your Google account. Okay, then you will land on this page. And these are what other users are creating. On the top right corner, you can see 70 carats, or basically credits that we use to generate videos. You also get 20 free credits every day. But we will find a way to create unlimited videos for free at the end. You can also redeem an invitation code to get additional 50 credits. Okay, now let's create something. For that, we have to first create a new project. So click on New Project on the left. We have two options. One is Canvas, other one is Workflow. We are going to create with Workflow, so click on it. It may take a few seconds to load the canvas. And this is where we generate our videos. Let's first understand the interface. On the left side, you can chat with RoboNeo and collapse it if you don't need. Now, this is the whole canvas. We can take new nodes from here. Then there are some templates. You can check out these. Your favorite works are saved here. And in History tab, you can find all your previous projects. Now we can see that a project is already open here. Let's select everything and delete to create something from scratch. Let's take a new node first. As we are going to generate a video, let's go to the video creation section. There are a lot of things that you can do with this tool, like image to video, first and last frame, motion control, video enhancement, and so on. Now let's take an image to video node. Here we have to upload an image. It will generate video from the image. Let's also take a text node. So we can add text prompts along with the image to generate the video. Now take this node and connect it to the image to video node. Then we have to upload an image. You can generate the image here or create it somewhere else like Gemini to save up some credits. I am going to generate it here to show you the process. So let's take another text to image node. And instead of this image, we will use this generated image here. So delete this one and add this node to image to video. Don't get confused, it is actually very easy, I'm explaining it. So we will add a prompt to generate an image. Then use that image to generate a video. And add some text here to direct it. Simple. So add a prompt to generate an image first. Select any model you like. I am choosing Nano Banana 2, for example, and 16:9 ratio. Then also enter a prompt for generating video. And from the models, select Grok. You can select the duration from 1 second to 15 seconds. A 5-second video generation costs 25 credits. Okay, now let's generate everything at once, so we don't have to generate the picture and video separately. For that, select all the nodes. Then, at the top, click on this button, Run All. It will create an image and then generate video from that automatically. You don't need to do anything. Your video will be ready in a few minutes. Now you can view or download your video from here. This is the generated video.
What a lovely family.
Yes, it is. So happy.
Now let's see how we can add more credits to keep generating unlimited videos. Come to this website called temp-mail.org. I have added the link in the description as well. Here you get a temporary email address. Just copy it. Then go back to RoboNeo and create a new account with this email. Continue this process when you need and keep creating videos. Hope it is helpful. Do consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.